Today I'll be seasoning my Miriam's earthen cookware. Seasoning this clay cookware is an important first step to nonstick cooking. The process is simple and starts with thoroughly rinsing both pot and lid, then wiping dry with a cotton cloth. Next, we'll create a broth by filling the pot up about a quarter of the way and then heat it on low for about 5 minutes. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of flour and simmer the broth for about 30 minutes. Then turn off the heat, keep it closed for 10 minutes, then remove the lid and let it cool. Pour the mixture out, rinse it thoroughly, and now you're ready to make these pots non-stick. To make these Miriam's earthen cookware pots and pans fully non-stick, it's best to prepare 5 to 6 water-based recipes in them. This can be anything from oatmeal to rice, soup, lentils, and even steamed vegetables. So far, I've enjoyed stove-cut oats, tortellini soup, pilau, and garlicky broccoli, all while creating a non-stick coating that will make cooking and cleaning up so much easier. And if you want to develop this beautiful patina on the cookware, spread a generous coat of oil on the inside and outside, being careful to not oil the bottom. Now you're ready to use your Miriam's earthen cookware to make any recipe healthy and delicious. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to like and follow.